The purple sunbird, Cineris asiaticus, a small bird in the sunbird family, found mainly in South and Southeast Asia. They feed mainly on nectar. They have a fast and direct flight and can take nectar by hovering like a hummingbird. Here you are observing male purple sunbird, non-breeding plumage. It is less than 10 cm long, has a down-curved bill with brush-tipped tubular tongues that aid in nectar feeding. They are seen in pairs or small groups and aggregations, may be found in gardens with suitable flowers. They feed mainly on nectar but also take fruits and insects. Sunbirds have been known to live for nearly 22 years in captivity.